So back in 2010, when we first partnered with the National Center for Transportation Research, we set a goal for ourselves to have 50 employers designated as the best workplace for commuters by the end of 2015. And so the good news is we have surpassed that goal. We're at 57 employers, and so we're just here today holding a reception to recognize and to give thanks to what we call the Fairfax County first 50 employers who have done such an amazing job with their transportation programs. In addition, we're here celebrating the fact that Fairfax County is the only jurisdiction nationwide to have such a large amount of employers designated as the best workplace for commuters. And so this is a huge accomplishment for us, and actually today the Fairfax County Board of Supervisors is issuing a proclamation to recognize the Fairfax First 50 and also to recognize this year's recipients. Fairfax County and Northern Virginia in general has an issue with traffic. There's a lot of congestion on the roads, and so we're just here to try to promote alternate modes of transportations and get our employers just kind of working with their employees and try to figure out another way to get to work and to kind of ease their commute. So this is an ongoing program. We hope to continue this program for as long as the National Center for Transit Research has the program. We've definitely seen a lot of interest, and I think it's very beneficial for the employers, and it's also beneficial for the county.